All right, so graph sketching. This is probably my favorite part of this area of calculus, and I think it's very fun. So what I like to do is just start off with a blank graph, and I know that I'm going to need some places in here, so I'm just going to go out to 3, and that should be enough to make it happen for me. Okay, so what they say is that f of 2, and I'm going to do the graph in green. They say that f of 0 and f of 2 are equal to 0. So I'm going to put those 2 points on the graph right from the get-go. So I'm done with this piece. F prime is greater than 0 for x is less than 1. So I'm going to do all of my f prime stuff in yellow, and I like to draw the number line so it can kind of stick out to me as to what we're doing. So from 1, this is 1, anything that's less than 1, it's got a positive f prime. Okay, so that means that it's probably going to go up like this. And then is there anything else? F prime at 1 does not exist. So what that says to me is that there's likely an asymptote here that will not allow for the function to go there. And then, so that's that piece. They also say that f prime is negative for all x is greater than 1. So that means it's going to go down like that. It's going to have a downward slope. So that's this piece and this piece are taken care of. So f double prime is greater than 0 for all x is less than, or x does not equal 1. So that means it's always going to be concave up from this piece. So the only way it can be concave up and increasing is to look like this. And for it to be concave up and decreasing, it has to look like this.